Hey there y'all, it's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. So I have a Grove unboxing to share with you. So stay tuned so that we can see what I got in this order. Hey y'all. So I'm going to do a Grove unboxing. And I thought it was really cute how they put Stay Healthy Tammy. How sweet of them. So they're all about health and all. So we're going to get right on into this. This box is extremely heavy this time. I ordered a pretty good bit out of a lot of stuff. Actually needed some more stuff, so I've got to put in another order. I just keep running out of supplies around here. If it's not Grove, like cleaning supplies and stuff like that, it's my Stampin' Up! Supplies for my business, so it's one or the other. If you don't know about Grove, it's all natural cleaning supplies. They've got a lot of new products like vitamins, and they got all natural beauty supplies now on there. Actually, I was wanting to try their, like, all of this is recyclable. Everything's recyclable from their site. I actually wanted to try some of their natural vitamins, like their immune system vitamins. They have all different kinds of immune health vitamins and things. All sold out. Everything that had to do with immune system, since I have a low immune system, all sold out. Everything was all sold out. Let's see. Room spray, vanilla and sandalwood. This was one of the products that I wanted to get. And I like the smell of sandalwood and vanilla. It smells really good. It's very light. I thought it would be a little bit stronger. Yeah, it's really light smelling. I thought it would be a little stronger. I want to try it in my I've had two of their glass spray bottles, and they don't seem to spray very well. One of them was clogged, would not spray, and the other one leaked real bad. So I don't know what the problem's been with the glass spray bottles. I think it was my last order though, I got one of the where you put the oil in and burn it. That works wonderfully, and I wanted to try burning this in it. And I tell you what, if you get the oil that's made to put in that, if you put some water in with the oil, because that oil is very strong. Now this oil it's kind of light, so I don't know. It might lighten it up too much, so I'll just have to experiment with it and see. But I know the other oils that come with that are super strong, so it's definitely good to water those down a little bit. Just a little water, because when you burn them, they're just super strong. It's different from spraying it in the air. Okay, here's all my products wrapped very nicely. And I had to get a lot of, like I said, supplies. And then a lot of things were on sale I wanted to get. And I got some free things as well this time. So let me just go in here And I am subscribed to them, so I get free shipping. Okay, so I wanted to get this. This is for cast iron brush and scraper. So I wanted to get this. We do have cast iron. So I wanted to get one of these. And gee, I thought it was a little different. It looks almost like the other kind of brush, but maybe the bristles are a little stiffer and stronger. So I'll be trying this out, seeing how I like it. Make sure everybody knows this is just for cast iron. Yeah, I guess they are stronger. The other one is, well, it's dirty, but I'll show you. Yeah, this is extremely dirty. Very, very well used. This, yeah, they are soft. This is the brush one, the one for the brush, which is probably about time to replace. You can replace the head to this one. So it's time for me to replace the head. I guess this one doesn't have a replacement head. It doesn't look like it. I thought it did, but I guess not. But yeah, the bristles are very strong. So it says scrub away your food, not your seasoning, on the iron skillet. So that's good. So a lot stiffer than this. So I wanted to get that, try that out for iron skillets. Because I'm always having to re-season my iron skillet after they get washed. Alright, I wanted to get some more of this Method Squirt Mop Wood Floor Cleaner. I love the way this stuff smells. Plus it's easier. You just squirt it and then use any kind of one, soft mop or anything on your floor and go. I mean, it's really good. This stuff is pet friendly, kid friendly also. And like I said, this stuff smells so good. I love the way this stuff smells. Makes your whole house smell just very nice. Not a harsh scent. And then I wanted to try, I think I've tried this lemon verbena before last year when it came out. And I liked it, so. Oh yeah, that smells nice. Yep, I think I did try it last year. So when they brought the lemon verbena back out for spring, I got the hand soap because we're almost out of hand soap. And I got some room freshener because we're always needing room freshener. And let's see, what else did I get? Oh, we needed dish soap too, so I got the lemon verbena and the dish soap. Went ahead and got some walnut cellulose scrubber sponges. And all this stuff was on sale, so I'm not out of sponges, but lately I've been getting the other ones. I think it's the coconut. This time I got the walnut. I've tried both. I like both. These were on sale. I always cut my sponges in half. Use them for about a month, throw them away. Let's see. We love these Grove drawstring trash bags. 100% recyclable. We still have some from my last order, but since these were on sale, I want to go ahead and pick up some more. Let's see what else. Oh, the sink caddy was on sale, so I want to go ahead and get that and see what this was. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. Oh, okay. Let me see here. So, like your brush would sit in there like that. And then I guess you can have, I mean, you don't need all the sponges, but like your sponge would sit in the side there. So that's really nice. So yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Because I keep needing somewhere to set that brush we have over there. And then I got some treats for the dogs, mainly for Ella. And these were on sale. Buy one, get one, or something. I can't remember what it was, but that's why I've got two. This was lobster roll. Lobster roll flavor made with upcycled ingredients. Soft baked dog treats from grain, free from grain, corn, soy, and artificial flavors. Healthy hip and joint support. Yeah, that's why I wanted these for Ella, especially right here. Okay, those are for Ella. And these are skin and coat support. So these are for both of them. Bananas for bacon flavor, made with upcycled ingredients. Soft baked dog treats, free from grain, corn, soy, and artificial flavors. They've had these before and they like them. Oh yeah, they really loved them. Okay. So, these treats are really good. Need it broken up. Ooh. Oh, you gonna take it? Okay. I really enjoyed them. Okay, and then let's see. Oh, I used this before already. 7th generation. Okay, this time I guess I got the free and clear. I thought I got the lavender again. I guess I didn't. Made for sensitive skin. Fights stains. So I guess I was trying this one this time. Last time I got lavender. Yeah, this has no scent at all. So that's strange, because I could have sworn. I guess I wanted to try the sensitive skin since I've been having problems with my skin being so irritated. And then this was a free product. This is a Wrinkle Release. That's a big bottle too. I was thinking it was going to be a tiny little bottle. So this is good. I'm glad I get such a nice big bottle for free. Try this out because I hang my clothes. And a lot of times they come out wrinkled. No scent really. And sometimes I have to put them in, you know, the dryer just on air fluff to kind of get some wrinkles out. So I'm curious to know to try this out. Or sometimes I have to use my little steamer to get wrinkles out. Now this is leaking because I opened it. Let's see if I can get the lid back on it. Yeah, there's really no scent to this. Yeah, I just kind of dumped that everywhere. And let's see. Oh, this is the cheesecloth. It's 100% organic, unbleached cheesecloth. Now, this was on sale, and I wanted to see what these were like. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Boy, it's like just a great big huge piece of fabric, isn't it? Huh. Okay, yeah, that's what it is. Well, alrighty, so that's what it is. Okay, let me stick that back in there. So that's what the cheesecloth is. That would be actually nice to do craft projects with. That's a big old piece of cheesecloth. Stick it in there and keep it clean. Alrighty, so that is everything. And let me just put everything down here so you can see again out of the box. So I know I'm filming here weird. So I got the laundry detergent. That was my free product. Oops. The dog treats. Trash bags. Sponges. Whoops. So I'll put a link to Grove down below so you can go check them out through my link.